Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Model 3, the refresh, the new one, the really nice one. Okay, so as you can see, Tesla just started the ordering, offering it to the North America um, segment. So now people can start ordering it. So as you can see, we're going to go through the ordering, custom order, just to see how long it's going to take to order and what kind of options, what kind of ranges that Tesla has with this new model. So if we were to go to custom order, and we're just going to click onto the purchase price here, it's going to say Model 3 estimated delivery somewhere in January to February 2024. So I'm pretty sure if Tesla's offering this, they probably have tons of them already probably made already, just getting ready. And for the range wise, this is the rear wheel drive, so they just call it simply Model 3. It's like 272, so it doesn't change much from the previous one. 125 mile per hour top speed and 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. And you're looking at about $38,990. All right, so with this one, it doesn't give you the performance options. So all you can do is just you get either the Model 3 or the long range. Long range, you're looking about spending about like $7,000 more, so total of $45,990. But we're just gonna go with see the so the long range you can see here. It's the miles is the range is more 341. Top speed still the same. 0 to 60 is still 4.2 seconds, pretty fast. So as far as the options, why the color, oh, it says stealth gray. This is the new color, and this is included. Remember, these colors, stealth gray and the ultra red are the two colors that only been to the high end model like the Model S and X's, but now you can get it on the Model 3 with the Highland, and it's included, which is awesome. Before that, they only give you like the option for the model for the white color, but now the white color is about 1,000, the blue one's still 1,000, and the solid black. Solid black is, I think, it's a new color as well, but it's 1,500. And wow, even the Highland they give you the ultra red too. So they remove like the multi red color. But again, the red color is the most expensive one, the 2,000. That's the one that I chose. And as for the wheels, 18-inch, it's included. And if you want something bigger than 19-inch one, then you gotta pay $1,500. And as you can see, the range it dropped about 36 miles if we go with the bigger wheels. So again, if you're more into the looks, then you go with the bigger wheel. But if you want more with the range, then you stick to the stock one, which is the 18. The black color is included, and the white one is 1,000. Still hasn't changed, but you can see the inside, the color here, the ambient color around, just like the Cybertruck. Let's see if there's any other really nice, very nice. Yeah, Tesla have been teasing us a lot, but finally it's here. And let's see features here. Okay, there's some more here, new features, and we can go here. All right, so the enhanced autopilot, this is the same 6,000, and the full self-driving 12,000. And again, this is still the same. You have to buy either the wall connector or the mobile connector. So the wall connector will give you charging 48 amps, and you probably have to get like a licensed electrician to install it for you. Likewise with the mobile connector, but the mobile connector only go up to 32 amps. And if you click on continue payment, and you can click on show details here. So details here, 4599 and ultra red 2000, the 18-inch 1000 for the white interior. All this come out to be 48,000. And then you just click on the loan. Most of us are more into the loan wise. So the loan here will be uh, $4,500 down. That's about 9%. And then the APR is 6.59 for 72 months. And I'll be $775 per month, and including the $1,390 destination fees, and all other taxes are excluded. And today you pay $250. Oh yeah, there you go. So right now, if you've been waiting for the refresh model, I think the first one came out with 2017 or 2018. So it's been a while, and Model 3 is overdue for the refresh ones, and this is it. So you guys can, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But on that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.